Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Lightbox in Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your projects. Choose the specific site where you want to add the Lightbox feature. Click on the project and it will load in the Webflow editor, giving you full access to design and layout tools. With your site open, turn your attention to the left panel where you can find and add new elements. Click on it and then look for Lightbox option. Drag the Lightbox component onto your canvas and place it where you want it to appear on your page. Now that you've placed the Lightbox element, click on it to open its settings in the right-hand panel. Locate the Lightbox link settings and then click on the media section. From here, you can start inputting your media files that will be displayed when the Lightbox is activated. To add an image, click Replace Image to start browsing your available media. This process is very user-friendly and allows you to seamlessly select the right content for your design. Select an image from the Assets panel, which contains all the files you've uploaded to Webflow. Once selected, the image will be placed inside the Lightbox and will be ready to display when triggered by a user interaction. Finally, to ensure everything works properly, switch to Preview mode in the top bar of the editor. This lets you interact with the Lightbox just like a site visitor would, giving you a chance to test the layout, image behavior, and responsiveness. If everything looks great and works smoothly, then you've successfully added a Lightbox to your Webflow project. And that's it! So that is how you can use Lightbox in Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.